once you're ready to load the box, you're going to need to undo the bungee cords, and then you're going to take the front flap and flip it up. Start by undoing each one of these ratchets here, and then you're going to undo the bungees for the back flap as well. Same as the front, you're going to flip it. Go ahead and get the crank handle here off the side of the box. So then you just put the handle in and start the crank. Then you take your handle, put it back, make sure you secure it down. Now at this point you're going to want to take each one of those bows out and remove them. The material that you're loading could damage it. Take the front ones and just go to the front with them. And now you're ready to load your box with whatever material that you may be loading. Start by getting the handle here. You'll put the handle in the hole, and then you just start to crank it. It will go a little crooked sometimes, but most of the time it'll go all the way over with no problem. Then you take your handle, put it back, make sure you secure it down, and then you grab your strap, put it in the ratchet here, and just want to make sure that they're tight, so that way if it rains, the tarp won't pool with water. Move along to the bungees on the front flap, secure them, and we'll move along to the back here. That's how you secure the tarp properly.